Hello everyone, Namaste. We are going to see a video about the conic sections part 2. Okay, I have included 3 questions from ellipse and I will include 6 more questions from parabola and hyperbola in the coming videos. So we start from the ellipse today. Problem related to the ellipse. Due to the equations of the ellipse in the standard positions, if a focus is at 0, -5 and eccentricity is 1 by 3. Okay. So the given informations the focus is 0, -5 and eccentricity is equal to 1 by 3. This is given informations. The major axis of the ellipse is parallel to y-axis because the x coordinate is 0. Okay, x coordinate is 0 means the point lies on the y-axis. That is why ellipse is parallel to the axis of the ellipse is parallel to y-axis. That means major axis is parallel to y-axis or it is y-axis itself. Okay, so the equation of the ellipse is I know x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, we suppose this one. Now, so according to this, okay, major axis as a y-axis, then we have a formula that okay 0 plus minus b equal to 0, 5 and so b equal to 5 and so b times 1 by 3 because the value of e is given and 5 and b equal to 15. A very easy one. Now again, now we have to look at here e square equal to 1 minus a square by b square, and by simplifying this we get this result. You can do this and copy yourself. Okay, so a square equal to b square minus b e whole square. Look at here how it is possible. Look at by squaring e equal to root over 1 minus a square by b square, you will get this result. This is a formula to get the eccentricity, and we divide a square by b square if b is twice b is the major axis. Okay, so look at here, putting the values of b square, and b is 15, so square of b is 15 square, that is 225, and b is 5, so square of b is 25, so a square is equal to 200. So b is 15, that is b square is 225 and a square we have already obtained the values of a and b. So putting that value in this place we get the required solutions. Okay, so from 1 x square by 200 plus y square by 225 equal to 1. So on simplification we get 9x square plus 8y square equal to 1800, and this is the final answer. Okay, now I have got another questions. Find the equation of ellipse in the standard positions whose lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis and which passes through the point root over 6, 1. Okay, so look at here. From the question, lattice rectum equal to the half of the major axis. So lattice rectums, the formula to lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Remember this, equal to half of major axis 1 by 2 and the major axis is 2a. So it is not defined whether it is the axis is parallel to y-axis or axis, so you can assume any one. Okay, no matter, you can assume major axis as a y-axis or the x-axis. So for convenience we assume that the major axis is x-axis, so we assume here 2a. Okay, so 2 cancel out and a square equal to 2b square. This is equation 1. And let the equation of the ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation 2. Now since the equation 2 passes through the point root over 6, 1. Okay, this is given here. So we now putting that value 6 by 2b square plus 1 by b square, isn't it? A square equal to 2b square and square x square, that is x is root 6, so square of x, that is the square of root 6, that is 6. Okay, the square of 1 is 1. Okay, then on simplifying this we get the value of b equal to 2. Okay, You can simplify this yourself, practice it. And then from 1, look at here, a square equal to b square, so a square equal to 8. Okay, because b is 2, so square of 2 is 4, 4 to is 8, and a equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so we have obtained the value of a and b. Then now we are putting the value in this equation 2, we get the required results. Okay, from 2, look at here, so this is the final answer. Okay, so now we have last questions for this. Find the equation of the ellipse whose distance between two faces is 8 and the semi-lateral rectum is 6. Semi means half of lateral rectum. Okay, half of the length of lateral rectum. So we have to find the equation of ellipse. So let the equation of ellipse be this one as usual, and distance between the two faces is 8 and semi-lateral rectum is 6. So the distance between two faces is given by 2AE. Okay, one is minus a comma 0 and another is plus a comma 0. The distance is 2a, so 2a equal to 8 and we get a equal to 4. Okay, this is the equation 2. However, now formula, look at here, we use this one, 1 by 2, 2b square by a equal to 6. Listen, semi-lateral rectum is 6, so this is the semi-lateral rectum, 2b square by a, and half of semi means half. Okay, this is the lateral rectums, length of lateral rectums, and half of lateral rectum, that is 1 by 2. The semi means half. Okay, equal to 6. So on simplification we get b square equal to 6a. This is the equation 3. Okay, now look at here, since eccentricity is equal to root over 1 minus b square by a square. This is the important formula, remember this. Okay, by squaring and simplifying we get that b square equal to a square minus a square, a square times e square. Okay, so replacing this b square by a square minus a square e square, a square e square, that means ae whole square. Okay, so in place of a we can replace by 4. So look at here, a square and this is ae whole square, that means square of 4, that is 16, 6a as it is. So taking to the same side, okay, all the terms to the same side, then we get this result. And on factorizations, and it is left hand exercise, okay, you should do yourself this factorization. So we get the factorizations, a minus 8 times a plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the factorization of this algebraic expression, trinomials. Okay, so from this equating this a plus 2 equal to 0, we get a equal to minus 2, which is not possible because a is never 0, never negative. Okay, so a equal to minus 2, which is not possible. Only possibility that we have left is a minus 2 equal to 0. That means a equal to 8. Okay, now I obtain the value of 8a, that is 8, and putting this value, okay, in 3 we get the value of b. So look at here now, from 3 b square equal to 6 times 8, that is 48. So we have obtained both the values a and b. So putting that values in this first equations, we get the required result. Okay, so from 1, x square by 64 plus y square by 48 equal to 1. Okay, and simplifications you get 3x square minus 4y square equal to 192. Okay, you can try it yourself. Okay, and from today, okay, I have joined the Google class today, so you all try to join that class, and in that Google class I will give you some assignment, okay, related to the problems which we have seen in the YouTube, and also you will see the same videos in that Google class. So first of all, you go to the Google account and find the Google Apps, Google Classroom, and then join. I have provided you the code for entering the Google class. Okay, this much for today. Thank you for watching the